Did you know that 80% of the viewers on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts prefer to watch on mute? So follow along with me to get you onboarded on the TikTok creativity program in as little as 15 days. Gear up as together, we will craft an ultimate engaging video, which is super simple to create using AI. All the hard work will be done up front, and then we will be on autopilot. And that is not the best part yet. You can create endless videos in this area without ever running out of ideas. But before we dive in, let's kick things off with a huge shout out to you guys for being the best supporters ever and us hitting 2,000 subscribers. I'm throwing a little bash to show my gratitude, and guess what? You could walk away with some cool goodies. Joining in is a breeze. Just give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave a comment below. We'll pick a lucky winner randomly. Now, let's get this celebration rolling. And hey, all the chapters are listed in the description, so feel free to jump over the bits, but I'd suggest watching the whole thing. I've packed it with nuggets of wisdom at every turn that you won't want to miss. Now getting back to today's focus. We need 4 key elements for a viral video. First off, we're aiming for sky-high engagement. This means saving the most anticipated moment for the video's climax. Secondly, the content needs to grip viewers, sound or no sound. Given that 80% of viewers might be watching on mute, this insight is golden for honing in on our niche. Third, each video has to hit the 1-minute mark at the very least. This will be a primary requirement once we are eligible for monetization under the TikTok creativity program. Fourth, to roll out 1 to 2 videos daily. The well of ideas must never run dry. If you're scratching your head, wondering what TikTok's creativity program is all about, let me break it down for you quickly. If you're already in the loop, feel free to use the timestamps in the description to skip ahead. So, here's the scoop. TikTok is stepping up its game to rival YouTube in the realm of monetization. While YouTube Shorts might offer just a few cents, TikTok is upping the ante, promising creators anywhere from 50 cents to $1 for every 1,000 views. Sounds tempting, right? But hold your horses. There are a few eligibility requirements, though nothing too daunting. A word of caution. This program is only open to certain countries, sparking a whirlwind of myths about buying US TikTok accounts. My 2 cents? Steer clear of that route. If you're looking for a legit way to get in on this, just drop a comment below. In my quest for the perfect niche ticking all these boxes, I stumbled upon a buddy who's been killing it with a quiz channel, powered entirely by AI since March 15th, 2024. Fast forward 15 days and boom, he's at 200K followers with a whopping 1.2 million views. I'll admit, I was a tad skeptical at first, but these numbers, they don't lie. Plus, these videos are super simple to bulk create, and you could easily create a whole month's worth of content in just under 30 minutes. This success story sparked a light bulb moment for me, a way to crank up the engagement dial on the quiz niche. In addition to that, if you have watched my previous videos, you would know that I am a big fan of affiliate marketing, and the quiz niche does not fit quite well into it. So, I came up with a game-changer idea to fuse these two. Here's the game plan, and you're welcome to join the ride. Let's take this concept and send it soaring, especially since the twist I'm about to reveal is in an untapped territory for now. I decided to whip up a special gift selection quiz using ChatGPT that lays out a bunch of choices. The plan is to craft a series of 6 questions tailored for a specific occasion, with the twist of choosing gifts based on whether it's for him or her. To keep things neat, I'm aiming for a table format and have instructed ChatGPT to output that for me. Just a simple copy-paste of this prompt should get the ball rolling for anyone who wants to try. I will add the prompt in the description below for easy access. For those with ChatGPT Plus, I created a custom GPT called Gift Selector Quiz that does the heavy lifting for you. All you've got to do is pop a question about crafting a quiz, and it springs into action, churning out quizzes tailored for occasions like anniversaries, birthdays, etc., complete with 6 thoughtful questions for both him and her. It's pretty neat how it sticks to the table format, though there's a bit of a hiccup with the alignment in the personality type and gift recommendation rows, but that's an easy fix we will see in the next step. What's really cool about this whole setup is the endless stream of ideas it offers. Say I want a Mother's Day quiz just for her, it's got me covered, sticking to the same clean format. And if I'm feeling extra creative, like wanting a Valentine's Day quiz with a specific vibe, I'll just add in those details, and it'll weave that context right into the quiz. The possibilities are just endless. Next up, I'll tackle the alignment snags we noticed earlier by shifting everything into a spreadsheet. The plan is to transplant the table straight from ChatGPT into the spreadsheet, then get down to business adjusting the format. My main move will be to scoot the personality type and gift recommendation cells a bit to the right, making sure to neatly fill any gaps left behind. To put a clear line between questions and the outcomes, I'm thinking of tagging the results with mostly A's or mostly B's right at the start, and just like that, our data's all set to morph into a fun quiz format. Once the quiz is polished and prepped, it's off to Canva, my go-to design playground. Now, to bring this project to life in Canva, you'd typically need a pro subscription, which runs about $120. But here's where it gets interesting. If you can keep this little secret under wraps to prevent Canva from catching on, stick with me. I'm about to spill the beans on an incredible hack that lets you snag Canva Pro for less than $50 for the whole year. Kicking off the design phase, I zero in on the mobile video format. That's step one. This action opens a fresh window, setting the stage for creativity. From there, I veer towards the Elements tab on the left and dive into a search for motion lines. Upon finding the perfect one, a right click does the trick, allowing me to set it as the backdrop. The goal? To weave animations into every corner of the page, cranking up the engagement factor to the max. Now I need to add text elements to our design page. For this, I will go ahead and choose a heading and adjust it to my liking. I am going to speed this step up since designing a template is the only step that will possibly take more time in the beginning. I will also need to add a placeholder for where the puzzle will go, where option A will go, and where option B should go. With the foundation set, the next move is to fine-tune the entrance of each element. By right-clicking on an object and selecting Show Timing, I can orchestrate precisely when each piece makes its grand entry. But wait, there's more. The moment the options appear on the screen, a timer is needed to keep the engagement ticking. I'll snag a timer from the Elements section, and for a sleeker look, I'll hit Edit Video to strip away the clock's background. But why stop there? To dial up the engagement, I'm adding a dash of flair with animation for a gift icon, swapping out its backdrop as well. After syncing the timing of these new additions, it's time for a trial run. Let's hit play and marvel at the magic. Next, infuse the text with animations, ensuring they're just peppy enough to captivate without overwhelming the readability. For this, I will ensure that the intensity is not too much. But wait, I believe I am missing something. Even though most users might watch this on mute, I would still like some music to be played in the background. Let's go on and add some music for the background from our audio selection as well as a timer sound. The other option though would be to add music using the TikTok library while uploading the video. Now, I think we have all the elements that we need. I can go on refining the design further, but I think let's move on to the main functionality of how to get the quiz carried over here. Then, based on how the text appears, I can further refine the final look. Next, I will go to Apps and search for Bulk Create. Then I will select Enter Data Manually, and a table comes up. I'll click Clear Table to get a blank table. Now I will hop over to my spreadsheet where I have the table already laid out and copy the first 5 columns. I will go ahead and paste these 5 columns into Canva and hit Done. Now this gives me the ability to right-click each option and connect it with the column data element from my list on the left. Now, I will quickly hit Generate 16 pages and test this out to see the alignment of the text among other things. I believe that the design of this template can be done a little better. So, I went back to my original template and spent some time improving the aesthetics. Let's see the final output. The total time of this video is 2 minutes and 41 seconds. I can split this in half to get 2 quizzes, one for him and one for her, and still, these will be easily a minute long. Now, I did mention that I will share with you a secret way to get Canva Pro for less than $50. So, what you need to do is to have a VPN and connect it to India. Now, you can open the subscription page and you will see the pricing as Indian rupees 3,999, which is equivalent to about $50. Start posting videos like these twice a day, tailored for both him and her, and watch your channel soar. The beauty of this content is its timeless appeal. Plus, when it comes to rewards, the sky's the limit. Think Amazon affiliate goodies, sponsored items, dreamy vacation deals, corporate treats. and so much more. This opens up a treasure trove of earning opportunities. You can even link your TikTok shop affiliate to pump up your earnings, like to chat more. Jump into our Discord community for free and get all your burning questions answered. Remember, you're not in this alone. There's a wealth of advice waiting for you. With these platforms evolving, we're learning and adapting right alongside them.